So let's start with our first option, Form Manage. You can decide which filter option you want to display at your shop page or not. So you can see here option for show categories, which is enabled, show attributes, show tags, price range, rating, search. These all options are enabled. And you can see these all options are added to our shop page filter. So let's go back. You can disable any of them. So let's disable the rating. I'll show you how it works. Show ratings, let's disable it. And you need to click Save Changes. Now let's go to shop page and reload the page. See, here the rating option has gone. You can again add the rating option here. Just simply you need to go to your plugin dashboard. Just need to enable it and click Save Changes. Now go to your shop page and reload the page, and rating is again enabled. Thus you can enable more filter to your shop page. So let's add show discount and show date filter. You need to click Save Changes. If you now reload the page, see the discount and date filter option is added to your shop page. So let's go to dashboard. Thus you can add more filters to your shop page. So if you want to add custom fields filter, you need to upgrade Pro. And this option is for URL based filter. We have three kind of URL filter type, with query string, with permalinks, and with AJAX. If you want to go with query string, and click Save Changes. So let's go to dashboard and I'll show you how it works. If you filter with 5-star rating, here you can see the URL comes with string data. That's how it works. Or if you want to go with permalinks, you need to upgrade Pro. Or if you go with AJAX and click Save Changes and reload the page. Let's again filter with 5-star rating, and here is the result. But you will see there are no new URL is generated, and there's the function of AJAX. So let's go back to our dashboard. And here option is for update filter. You can enable or disable it. And the last option is show loader, which is now enabled. It means if you do filter, then you can see a loader here. You can disable it and click Save Changes. Now reload the page and do filter. See, there is no loader. That's how it works. You can do customization, but you need to upgrade Pro. So that's all the features of our Form Manage.